How to start selling print on demand with Shopify apps. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start selling print on demand with Shopify apps. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then on the dashboard, you can go to apps here, click on it, and then in the search box, you can type POD for print on demand. You can search it. After that, you will be in the Shopify App Store. So you have a lot of options here. As you can see, there are some popular ones like Zendrop. This is one of the popular apps to do print on demand. Also printify and printful, so a lot of option. You can actually check it one by one. So let's check Zendrop. So this is one of the best app you can try. So let's see, you can maximize profit potential by more than 1 million product catalog you can choose, and then one click import. It's gonna be very easy then. So yeah, for the fulfillment and logistic, China and US products sourcing, it's from China and US. So it's really good. And there is analytics and reporting also. So yeah, you can read the review. There is a lot of review here, and you can also try it for free. So if you want to start just, check it out, you can install it for free. So yeah, I think this is one of the best. Also, you can try another one, maybe printful. Also, you can try another one, maybe printful, if you want to try print on demand, maybe t-shirt, or apparel, something like that. So this is the best option too. If you want to try, you can check. There are a lot of reviews here, more than 3,000. So yeah, it's free to install, and they have a graph plan. You can read the review here, and yeah, you can try or check other option here. And so let's say you want to try Zendrop, you can just click install here, and then you can follow the instruction. So it's gonna be very easy to install, and you can start doing or start selling print on demand product. And then you can just click install here. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.